Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are attending a classic cars exhibition. Of course, American classic cars exhibition. It is being performed in Galeria shopping mall center in St. Petersburg, Russia. And the first example here is His Emperor Majesty Sir Chevrolet Corvette year 53. Very beautiful vehicle. From his back and from both sides and from its front. Even seats are beautiful. Even steering wheel is beautiful. Convertible top or soft top. So let's look at the rest of the exhibit, because that's just the promotional example, not in the exhibition itself. Let's go further. And here starts the exhibition itself. It is organized by our local car history museum called Route 66. Here we can see this typically American vehicle, which is in the same time can be called a Jeep and minivan. Yes, it's a gas station. Well, I would not say that this is most beautiful car here, because here we can see the younger variation of Corvette and this cute princess called El Camino. Just look. According to the information from the museum, these two items were made in the same year 60, but they look very different, in spite of the fact that they are El Camino both. This is the simpler type of design, and this is more sophisticated. Chevrolet String Ray. Что говоришь? Yes, with the cups for its light. And this is other period of car design in which this shape of front was very popular. This angle-shaped grille and rectangular lights. Year of production is 80. Look how the looking glasses are situated on the doors. And the seats have head holders, and this one is very classic itself. See, classic. with a sun protecting detail and very aggressive front, very much chrome, and for sure this is a family car. It was designed and produced in the same year as the first Corvette that we saw here, but this is completely another type of car. Very fashionable, very family, while the first one was too light, like a car for rest. Yes, the front lights are divided in two parts. I guess one part was for bright light and the other one for softer one. Well, I don't find this item very interesting. Maybe it's some kind of turn point in car design, but not too much classical from my opinion. And here we can see the only non-American car in this exhibition. This is Mercedes-Benz. Yes, and the bumper has two so-called teeth, как бы зубы такие. Yeah, but the teeth were prohibited because they were considered as unsafe for the pedestrian movement. Опасны для пешеходов, поэтому их запретили попозже. And on the backstage we can see the Chicago gangster. Why is this car here? Because it was presented for the first time in the States. I mean, in the States it had its first presentation. Ford Mustang for sure, of course. And this very interesting Lincoln Transcontinental with the doors opening in the opposite sides. It has no middle pillar, and at the same time it has soft convertible roof. So I guess it has a rear-end frame in the bottom. Otherwise I cannot guess about its durability. Maintenance. And old school Chevrolet Camaro. It was well, it looked lighter than nowadays, more dynamic, maybe less durable. I like this front very much.
На радиаторе стоят. А радиаторы что-то как носит.
Angled grilled, and these lights, which are usually situated lower, they are near the basic lights. And the drift tires on it. This is very interesting car for me because I'm not American and I cannot guess either it is considered as family or as family car or as a car for a couple or a car for an individual, because it is very large, very long, but it has very small passenger's cabin itself. But as for aesthetics, it is beautiful for sure. Looks like the stars. And here we can see this shape, which was very popular in the States in this period. Front lights are covered with the grille, just like radiator. So in the day we cannot see its front lights. It is more, I'd say it looks more like vessel, while in the earlier periods cars more looked like the aircrafts. It just looked like that. The aircraft style, I'd say. As in the back, the same style is in the front. Chevrolet DeVille. DeVille or DeVille, they mean village, I don't know. It's playing with the words. Oh, it's just a masterpiece. Yes, gambling machine. And Elvis, maybe Elvis had similar car as his property. So if you ever visit our city, St. Petersburg in Russia, please visit also Museum Route 66. Our best recommendations.